Hi everyone, thank you so much for stopping in today. I have another cute little package from Boom by Cindy Joseph. Had this for almost a month. I just have not had time. I feel bad, I really do, but lots of good products in this one. I mean, the first one had lots of good products in it too, but this, what's inside this little box is right here. So it gives you a list of everything. Yeah. So at least it tells me what everything is. There's a few that I am super excited for. The first one, let me just get these out of the boxes. And this is a mascara. So here's the box. You know, simple box. Here's the mascara. I'm excited to try that. Excited to try. I've tried a few of the other products I received. And they're very nice. I will not wear them without my own products, but they're good enhancing products for me. So, Boom Bold Waterproof Volumizing Mascara is new. Whoops, I'm going to slide right off. So then it looks like we have Boom Gold. This is a face oil. And I don't know if I got this. Did I get this before? I don't think so. Okay, why can't I get this out of the box? Okay. Face oils are always nice. Sometimes I use some face oil like under my eyes where I'm super dry. At nighttime, definitely. But this is nice little bottle to have. It does last a long time because you don't need that much of it. This one is interesting. Boom Brow. Lightweight brown mousse. And I don't know. I have medium brown, which will probably be fine. I prefer a lighter brown, but it's not a big deal. Ooh, that seems very dark. Ooh, that might be too dark. Little tiny brush. That might actually be fine. Let me see. I put a little bit on my hand. I would just have to go super light. Not bad. I'm excited to try that. I love trying all different kinds of brow products right there. And then the other two products that I have are right here, and these are the BoomSticks lipstick and blush, and this one is in Peony Peach, and this one is, no, this is Golden. Now, do I have that right? Oh, I can't even. Whew. I cannot even read that. Let me see if I can get these to open. And then we'll see. This one is more of a red. It says Peony Peach is more of the red shade. I'm just trying to rip this. I have the weakest hands ever. I can never get these. Once I can get it to a certain point, I can get the lid off. Of course, it's going to do what I don't want it to do. I'm working on it, people. Let's just use the knife. There we go. How was that enough yet? Okay, so it comes with a little cap. Leave these caps. Don't throw them away. It'll stop your product. So this is Peony Peach lipstick and a blush. No scent, which I love. Make sure these caps go back on it. Stop them from drying out. So that one's nice. Happy for that. So then this one is Golden Peach. I'm going to try and not hurt myself here. Let's take this off so I can at least see the shade better. Oh, they make these plastics so difficult. Like, I can't get that off without getting hurt. Okay, so then once again, the plastic top. Yeah, that's a better blush shade for me. The other one might be a better lipstick, but this would be cute too. So I'm always happy to try these products out. So we have 2 blush lipsticks, an oil. So we have these two, the oil. and the mascara and the brow products, which I am very excited to try. I might actually try the mascara myself, so I know, but definitely the brow. I love the face oil. Like I said, that's great at nighttime. I use it on my elbows, my knees, sometimes my heels. Use your oil wherever you want it. I do have Plentiful, but this I will save for my face. And then these are always good for blush and or lips, in my opinion. So that is everything that I received in PR from Boom. Always excited to try these. And like I said, these I don't use. I know their intention is to use without anything, just natural beauty, all that good stuff. I still do prefer my own base and then use these products as enhancing products, not necessarily standalone products. So that is what I got from Boom. Like I said, always excited to try this stuff out and let you guys know. I have not done faves or fails from October or November. I don't think I want to do December either. I'm not sure if that's going to come back in January or not, but in an upcoming video, I will try to do some updates. That's all I can do for right now. Hopefully in 2024 things change and I can get back to doing that, and because I do enjoy doing that one. Thanks for watching, everyone. Have a wonderful day. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.